This 2023 Grand Design Solitude 380FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features smoke detector, slide-out, refrigerator, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, oven, TV, skylight, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.